Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right tool for your task. This saves time and keeps files organized. Press Win plus Shift plus S for the snipping tool when you need a precise region, or Win plus PRT-SC to capture the whole screen and autosave to pictures/screenshots. Once done, check the clipboard if you used PRT-SC alone, because you may need to paste into an editor. Make sure notifications are enabled so the snipping tool shows the image preview. That preview gives quick options for editing or sharing. Next, you execute the capture and refine it. When the snipping tool appears after Win plus Shift plus S, choose rectangular for exact crops or window to lock onto an app. This improves clarity and reduces extra edits. After capturing, click the notification to open the built-in editor where you can crop, highlight, and annotate. Save as PNG for lossless quality. Once saved, you can paste directly into documents or use Win plus V to access clipboard history. This speeds up workflows and keeps versions. Finally, you wrap up by saving and sharing correctly so screenshots stay useful. Save with a clear file name and choose PNG for best detail. Put it in a dedicated folder or let OneDrive sync automatically for cloud access. When sharing, attach the file or paste directly into chat or email. If something fails, make sure Snipping tool is enabled in Apps and turn on clipboard history in settings so copies persist. This single setting often resolves missing screenshots or lost clipboard contents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.